In today's video, I'll show you how to instantly level up your presentation using this custom PowerPoint Morph transition. Here are the 3 images I'll be using. Let's start by adding a new slide. Right-click, select Format Background, and change the background color to black. Next, select the first image and paste it onto the slide. Resize it so that it covers half of the slide. If your image is too big, you can crop it to size. Next, go to Shapes and draw a rectangle over the other half of the slide. I'll give it a blue fill color and remove the shape outline. Now go to Insert, draw a text box, and type in your title. I'll use Arial Black for the font, and I'll increase the font size to 88. I'm switching the font color to white for better contrast. Now select the second image and paste it on the slide. Resize it to the same dimensions as the first image, rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and then drag it outside the slide, positioning it in the corner like this. Now duplicate the slide, select the first image, rotate it 90 degrees to the right, and position it outside the slide like this. Then, select the rectangle and the content and move them to the right side of the slide. Change the color of the rectangle. I'll choose pink. Update the title and body text, then select the image we rotated earlier and position it back on the slide. Next, place the last image on the slide and make it the same size as the others. Then rotate it and place it outside the slide like we did with this image here. Duplicate the slide again, select the main image, rotate it, and position it outside the slide like we did before. Select the rectangle and content and move them back to the left side of the slide. Edit the title and body text and change the color of the rectangle. I'll pick green. Then select the image we rotated in the previous slide and position it on the slide like this. Finally, select all the slides, go to Transitions and hit Morph. If you like this tutorial and want to support the channel, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.